Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase. In this video I will show you how you can generate factual AI articles with quite any AI writing tool and even for free with ChatGPT. Let's start from ChatGPT. As you can see, I'm using ChatGPT Plus, but many of you don't have ChatGPT Plus. Obviously, the fastest way to generate AI factual content is by using one of the tools that use factual content and can generate factual content. One of the best is absolutely ZimmWriter. You can find the link in the description, and you can also find the link to my video review. This is a very good AI writing tool. You have many options, and you also have factual data included, in-depth factual data, as you can see here. But ZimmWriter is very high quality and it's not free. Another tool you can use to generate factual content is Katteb. I made many videos about Katteb on my channel. You can check them out, and you will also find this link in the description if you want to try Katteb. Or maybe you can use Kopify. Kopify uses your OpenAI API keys. I made a review about Kopify version 2. And now in the bulk mode, as you can see, you can include factual information into this one-click AI article generator. You can obviously even choose between these different models. Maybe I will do a specific video about it. Or if you have ChatGPT Plus, you can now write some kind of factual content by using GPT-4 and browsing. Now, as you can see, Bing is the default browsing tool inside GPT-4, or by using plugins. One of the most famous one is this Web Pilot to search on the web, or maybe even Scholar AI. You can find really interesting data and statistics, for example, using these plugins. But let's say you don't want to purchase ChatGPT Plus, you don't want to use any of these factual content writers. Well, you have another way to do it, and you may want to use, for example, ChatGPT, the free version, if you have ChatGPT, or any other AI writing tool, even the ones where you can't include factual content. Well, you can do it using two different tools. One is Perplexity.ai. This is a really cool tool, and now you have also some interesting new options here. Or you can do it with using Harpa AI. I made a video about Harpa AI. This is a Chrome extension. You can even have the Chrome extension for Perplexity, but for this use case I will use the official site. I suggest you to open an account. It's free with Perplexity because you have some more options. For example, this new Copilot. You can use 5 prompts every day with Copilot. Copilot is a new feature inside Perplexity and uses GPT-4 to generate answers in a very detailed way. So let's say I want to generate an article about, I don't know, social media tips, for example. I can do some kind of search here on Perplexity if I want some data to be included in my article. So I can ask, for example, by using Copilot, or even by not using Copilot. It's still good, but let's try with Copilot. For example, I can write, give me some updated statistics about a social media platform. And here, as you can see, I can choose between different let's call them search engines. I can search on academic papers. This is really interesting if you want to write something academic, Wolfram Alpha. There is also a ChatGPT Plus plugin with Wolfram, really interesting. You can search on YouTube, on Reddit, on news, and on Wikipedia, or you can search on all by choosing this all option. Then you click on enter and you will have some interesting data with Perplexity AI. Perfect. So I now have some interesting and real statistics about social media platforms. I can copy all these statistics. For example, I pasted them in this notepad document so I can always have access to them. Then I can go on ChatGPT. Let's say this is the free version of ChatGPT, and you can include these data, these statistics to be used in your article. I will write a quick example. You can start by generating the outline and then the article, or you can try to generate something in one click. It's not the best option here on ChatGPT, but just to show you an example. Okay, this is my prompt. Write a 1000-word article about social media marketing tips, taking consideration some real facts and statistics about a social media platform when writing the article. And then I pasted all my statistics. So I think and I hope ChatGPT will include some of these when writing this article. Okay, obviously the article is not 1000 words, but this is not important now. What is important are the factual data and the statistics. So let's find this YouTube 2.3 billion monthly active users. That's here. 2.3 billion monthly active users. We have Instagram and Pinterest, user base is over 1 billion and 400 million. Okay, Pinterest is here and Instagram is here. As you can see, it's using this factual data into my article, and this is just one way you can generate a factual-based article. And if you don't want to spend money on AI writing tools with factual data, well, you can do it like this. I just want to show you an example using our extension Harpa AI. If you don't know where to find it and how to use it, you can watch my review video here on my channel. So I can ask for extracting my data. For example, summarize important statistics from this page with a bullet list. Sometimes you need to change your prompt if you don't have what you want, but this is connected with your ChatGPT account, the free one, so it's quite good. As you can see, it's writing in Italian because I have Italian as my default language here, so I can ask to write them in English. Okay, perfect. I just had to write this prompt some more times because it was extracting only 3 points. I wanted more, but the concept is the same. Now I have a summary of this statistics page using Harpa AI, so I can use this list of bullet points to generate my article with ChatGPT or with any other AI writing tool. For example, maybe you like to use ZimmWriter, great AI writing tool. You can watch my entire review, and I also have a special $15 discount if you want to purchase the lifetime deal of ZimmWriter. You can find the link in the description. Let's say I want to use, in this case, this SEO blog writer. Now you can even scrape the web just by inserting a URL here, and ZimmWriter will go on the web and find the data for you. So maybe I could insert this URL here. But you can also use Harpa.ai or Perplexity.ai to summarize a specific page or to find data you want to use, factual data you want to use in your article, and then you can copy them here as the global background, and this data will be used when generating your article with ZimmWriter. Maybe I will do a specific video about it. You can do the same thing in Chibi. For example, Chibi has these memory fields here. The only limitation for Chibi is you can insert 450 characters for every memory field. So let's say I call this factual data 1 and I maybe can insert 3 of these. I have more space, so let's do like this. Just to show you how it works, you can obviously create more memory fields and insert all your data, and then Chibi will use this data when writing your article. Just to show you a very quick example, write an article about social media marketing tips. Here I have my factual data, and I suppose Chibi will insert this data into my output. Obviously, this is not the best way to generate an article with Chibi. Usually you start with an outline and so on. I can see here over 4.74 billion active users worldwide, and this is one of these statistics. In this case, I only see this one, but let's say I want to generate, for example, generate a section about Facebook. I want to see if it will include even this statistic. Okay, now I have my Facebook section here, and as you can see, I have this factual statistic. It's taken by here. So even Chibi can do it. Any AI writing tool where you can insert some kind of context will be able to insert this perplexity or this Harpa factual data. Or maybe if you have GPT-4 with plugins, you can use, for example, this browse with Bing and extract some statistics. So I can try with find some interesting statistics about a social media platform. I'm in the browsing mode, and let's see if it finds something interesting. It's browsing the web. Okay, I also got an error, but anyway, it's not super fast when it's doing browsing, but as you can see, I have some statistics, and I also have sources, Forbes.com here. All these ones are from Forbes.com in this case, and this is how you use the browsing feature inside the GPT-4, and then you can obviously ask to write an outline or an article using these factual data. So this is how you can generate factual articles using ChatGPT for free or a paid tool like ZimmWriter or Chibi or ChatGPT Plus or Phrase or any other AI writing tool. I really hope this video was helpful. If so, let me know here in the comments. Click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for being here until now, and as always, I'll see you soon in another video.